Hello, children. Welcome back to our channel. Look around you. You can see trees, birds, cars, rocks, toys, and people. But have you noticed that not everything around you is alive? Some things can move and grow on their own, while others cannot. Everything in our surroundings can be divided into two groups: living things and non living things. What are living and non living things? Living things are those that are alive. They can grow, move, breathe, eat, and reproduce. Non living things are not alive. They do not grow, move, breathe, eat, or reproduce. So let's see some characteristics of living things. Living things grow. A baby grows into an adult and a seed grows into a plant. Living things move. Animals can move from one place to another on their own. Plants do not move from place to place, but their parts move, like leaves or flowers turning towards sunlight. Living things need food and water. They need food to get energy and stay alive. Living things breathe. All living things take in air to live. Humans and animals breathe through lungs, fish through gills, and plants through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. Living things feel. They can feel things around them. For example, we feel hot, cold, or pain. Plants also feel sunlight and touch. Living things reproduce. They make more of their own kind. For example, a hen lays eggs and a cow gives birth to a calf. Living things die. All living things have a lifespan. They are born, grow, live, and die. Examples of living things: people, animals, and plants are examples of living things. Living things need certain things to survive, such as food, water, and air. Let's see some characteristics of non living things. Non living things do not grow. A table or toy remains the same size. Non living things do not move on their own. They can move only when we push or pull them. Non living things do not need food or water. They do not eat or drink. Non living things do not breathe. They do not take in air. Non living things do not feel. They cannot feel heat, cold, or touch. Non living things do not reproduce. They cannot make more of their own kind. Non living things do not die. They can break or get damaged but do not die. Examples of non living things. Non living things include rocks, water, air, books, toys, and machines. They do not have life, cannot grow, reproduce, or respond to stimuli. So remember, living things are alive. They can grow, move, and reproduce, while non living things are objects that do not possess these characteristics. Interactions between living and non living things can be diverse and play important roles in their survival, protection, and daily activities. Now let's read some question and answers. First question: what are living things? Living things are those that are alive. They can grow, move, breathe, eat, feel, reproduce, and die. Second question: what are non living things? Non living things are those that are not alive. They do not grow, move, breathe, eat, or reproduce. Third question: write any three examples of living things: dog, tree, bird. Fourth question: write any three examples of non living things. Answer is chair, car, rock. Fifth question: how do plants show that they are living things? Plants grow, need food and water, and breathe through small holes in their leaves called stomata. Sixth question: what is the difference between living and non living things? Living things can grow, move, and breathe. Non living things cannot grow or move, breathe. Seventh question: how do living things grow? Living things grow by using food to build new parts of their body. Eighth question: do non living things need food and water? No, non living things do not need food and water. Ninth question: give one example of a living thing that cannot move from one place to another. A plant cannot move from one place to another. Tenth question: why do living things need food? Living things need food to get energy and stay alive. Great job, children. Now we have learned that living things can grow, move, breathe, eat, feel, and reproduce, but non living things cannot do any of these. Both living and non living things are part of our beautiful world. Let's love and care for all living things and always keep our environment clean and happy. See you in the next video.